What we're looking at here is the flagship product of Enagic SD501. Now, this is an actual installation in the kitchen, and to install this unit, it takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It can be installed in any type of faucet in the kitchen. The way you turn on the unit is by basically pressing that button. Okay, now, when you turn on your faucet, you have all the different settings that you normally have. In other words, if you want the spray is there. If you want just a normal setting, it's there. But once I move this setting to the Enagic, it's going to start diverting the water into the unit. The first thing it does is it goes through a double carbon antibacterial filter here. In other words, it's going to sterilize the water. It's going to clean the water. After that, the water is going to go through 7 platinum coated plates. What it's going to do is going to charge the water and it's going to split the water. The good water is going to come out here. And the bad water is going to be discarded to this bottom hose over here. Now, as you can see here, the unit makes different types of waters. The first one is the drinking water, the alkaline water. It makes 3 types of alkaline water, 8.45, 9.0, and 9.5. Now we suggest that if you're getting water, you begin with the 8.5. Okay, then a week later, you can go to 9.0. And eventually, you'll end up at 9.5 or 9.0. Now, let me give you some side effects of the Kangen water. They're very minor. One is it hydrates your brain in 30 seconds. The water is microcluster, so it goes all over your body, which means sometimes people get a head rush and they think you have a slight headache. That goes away in a few seconds. It doesn't happen. It probably is not going to happen. The first side. Next, you're going to detox, which means the water is going to start cleaning your body. You might have to go to the restroom a little more. Okay. Third, you're going to sleep better. The reason why is because the water hydrates your brain. Your brain produces melatonin. Melatonin helps you sleep. And the last side effect is your energy is going to skyrocket. If you're drinking the water on a daily basis, what the water does is it allows your body to produce serotonin. And serotonin, by the way, increases your energy. Those are the 4 minor side effects of Kangen alkaline water. Okay, now I'm going to show you real quick. First of all, obviously this is drinking water that you drink at home. Now, it's very important that when you go out, you have some kind of, this is what I have. See this bottle right here? Instead of getting bottles and throwing them away and all these plastic bottles, I've been using this bottle for now 5 years. Great for the environment, by the way. For restaurants, the water that you saw coming out of here goes in this kind of bottle. As a matter of fact, we have several restaurants using these bottles as part of their profit center. Now, when I give the water away to somebody, I normally use a 1-gallon jug. This is the 1 gallon. Okay, you can actually get them where the tops lock, and you can get this in 45, 50 at a time. This is what I use to give the water to people. The next water, clean water, is neutral water. Clean water, it says right here, for medication. Some other use to it, I like drinking my coffee with alkaline water. My wife likes drinking her coffee neutral, so she uses the regular neutral water. The next water is called beauty water. When you press this yellow button over here, the unit is going to produce what I believe to be the most popular water, and Enagic, and that's the facial toner. Now, when you get this water and you put it in a spray bottle like this, when you spray it on your face, it feels like your skin is actually sucking the water in. It actually provides a toner which they sell at department stores. If you don't know what facial toner is, just go to any Nordstrom's, Macy's, cosmetic department, ask them for facial toner, that's what they'll give you. And they run 30 all the way up to $60 depending on the purchase, Maybelline or Lancome. Now, the reason why when you spray your face, it feels like your skin is sucking in is because the pH of your skin 5.0. And this is what this water is, 5.5. Look what it's done to my skin. I've been using it for 5 years. It's absolutely phenomenal. I bring 3 or 4 of these with me at all times. Imagine getting facial toner at no cost, as much as you want. My wife likes to wash her face in it. I like to wash my face. And by the way, with this unit, you get unlimited facial toner. Imagine the saving just with that one bottle. You're gonna love the facial toner that this SD501 produces. When you press the orange button, this unit is going to produce the two final waters. One is called the strong acidic water that comes out of the bottom here. It's 2.5 acidic water. Now, simultaneously, while it's producing that water, here on the top, it's gonna come out strong alkaline water, which is 11.5 in pH. Now, let me explain what each one does. By rinsing your fruits and vegetables in this water, it'll take out the pesticides, germicides, and insecticides and clean it thoroughly. Now, because its cleaning power, if you take this water that's coming out of here and put it in a spray bottle like I have right here, see, this is actually the best cleaner for all your marble, all your kitchenware, your oven, your stainless steel kitchen doors. It'll out clean your Fantastic. It'll out clean your 409. It'll allow each Mr. Clean. This water will out clean most of the cleaners that you have in your kitchen. It actually has the ability to emulsify oil, and you will not believe the shine it leaves on granite counters. It is one of the best kitchen cleaners that I've ever seen, and it has the 99% of all bacteria, about 30 seconds, salmonella, E. coli, staph, mold, fungus. It's great for disinfectants. As a matter of fact, if you put this water in a spray bottle like this, okay, and if you have any type of skin rash, eczema, psoriasis, if you know someone, or if you have athlete's feet fungus on your nails, you would not believe how fast this water helps and how good it works. As a matter of fact, they use this water to disinfect surgical equipment in many of the hospitals in Asia. If you have a pet that has a rash, you just take this water and you spray it on. You know, some people buy things like Pura or Lysol to disinfect things, As a matter of fact, sometimes they want to disinfect their hands. See, that kills 99.9% of all bacteria in 30 seconds. Imagine how much money you can save by using just this one product. So there you have it. That's the SD501. Now, a couple of other things about the unit. It's designed to last 25 years or longer. There are no moving parts. That's the reason the unit lasts so long. Also, it's self-cleaning, which means there are no maintenance. Here, take a look at this. I don't know if you heard, but it said it cleans it. The unit is now cleaning itself. It has the ability to clean itself, and when it's done, it'll tell you. I believe this is the next kitchen appliance that the majority of the households out there is going to own, not only in the United States, but in the entire world. You have to remember, in Japan, 1 out of every 6 homes right now already has an ionizer. In the entire world, no one owns it. Have you heard of timing?